Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, we need to check if you have the latest version for your earbuds, and you need to open HUAWEI AI Life application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. After that, scroll down and at the left bottom we have update. Tap at this button and check for updates. It said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, at the bottom right here you will see a button download and install. Tap at this button and wait until this update finished. Next step, also in the application you can go to the settings at the right bottom, and right here at the top we have smart wear detection. What this mod do, when you listen to music and remove your earbuds from your ears, it will stop to play your audio, and when you put it back it will resume to play audio. So if you don't need it, just tap at the slider and disable it. Now, if it also didn't help you, next step is to firstly restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music or in your browser or in another application, just remove it from the cache and open it again. Then also go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your application and update if you haven't. If the update didn't help you also, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. At the right side we have connectional button, and you need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light on the front side start blinking red. Firstly it start blink white, it's okay, don't worry, just enter to pairing mode. Keep holding this button. Here we go, now you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top if you have this button, because not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, is to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so just tap on them at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!